You open your phone. You see a picture, a reel, a video. In 1 second, that desire is switched on. And then what happens? You do it, and then you feel empty, weak, and angry at yourself. This vicious loop is destroying your willpower, your energy, and your self-respect. Today, we're going to break that loop. And we're going to use a 2,000-year-old method from one of the wisest men who ever lived, the Stoic philosopher Seneca. There's no fake motivation here. This is a clear, practical system you can start using the second this video ends. First, let's be clear about what we're fighting. Your enemy isn't lust itself. Your enemy is the act of trading your entire future for a few seconds of cheap pleasure. Think about it. 20 seconds of empty fun, followed by 20 minutes of guilt, followed by days of low energy, brain fog, and shame. Seneca put it perfectly. What controls you owns you. Right now, your impulses control you. So right now, your impulses own you. We have to reverse this. Most people try to fight this battle with willpower alone. They tell themselves, okay, I'll stop tomorrow. But tomorrow comes, and they fail again. And again. Here's why that approach is doomed. Willpower is like a muscle. It gets tired. You can't just rely on it 24/7, especially when you're stressed, tired, or bored. Seneca knew this. He argued that you don't need more willpower. You need a better system. So let me give you that exact system right now. It starts with your morning. Every single morning, Seneca would practice what we now call negative visualization. He would visualize the challenges and temptations he might face during the day. He'd think to himself, what if I'm tempted today? How will I choose to respond? By thinking ahead, he completely removed the element of surprise. When temptation showed up, he was already prepared for it. Here's your daily practice. Every morning, for just 5 minutes, sit in a quiet place. Ask yourself, when am I most likely to be tempted today? Is it late at night when I'm alone? Is it the moment I open a specific social media app? Is it when I'm feeling stressed or bored? Be brutally honest and specific. See that exact situation unfolding in your mind. Feel that urge starting to build. And then, crucially, visualize yourself winning. See yourself closing the app. See yourself putting the phone down and walking away. See yourself going for a walk, or doing push-ups, or taking a cold shower instead. Seneca said, "He who is prepared has fought half the battle." This 5-minute practice is how you program your brain for victory before the battle even begins. But what do you do in the actual moment, when that wave of desire crashes over you and floods your brain? Here's a hard truth. You can't stop desire from appearing. That's just biology. But you absolutely can control the 10 seconds that follow. Most people fail because they react instantly. There's no pause, no space for a conscious choice. Seneca taught, between stimulus and response, there is a space. In that space is our power to choose our response. Here's how you create that space. First, the moment you feel the urge, stop moving. Literally freeze. Don't touch your phone. Don't click anything. Just freeze. Second, take 3 slow, deep breaths. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and breathe out for 6 seconds. This simple action interrupts the emotional brain and activates your rational thinking. Third, as you're breathing, ask yourself this powerful question. Will I respect myself 10 minutes from now if I do this? Let the answer sink in. If the answer is no, get up and walk away immediately. That 10-second pause is the entire difference between being a slave to your impulses and being a free man. As Seneca said, no man is free who is a slave to his body. Now, let's talk about your evening. Every night before bed, Seneca would reflect on his entire day. He'd review his actions and ask himself, what temptation did I face today? How did I respond? How am I a better person than I was yesterday? Here's your practice. Every night, for 5 minutes, get a notebook and write. Did I face temptation today? Did I win or lose the battle? If I lost, what was the specific trigger? Was it a time, a place, a feeling? If I won, what strategy worked? Don't judge yourself. Don't beat yourself up. Just observe. Be a scientist of your own behavior. Over time, you'll start to see clear patterns emerge. I always fail when I'm bored and alone at night. Or, I always get tempted after scrolling on Instagram. Once you see the pattern, you gain the power to break the pattern. As Seneca reminded us, an unexamined life is not worth living. Now for the most powerful motivator of all, the one that puts everything into perspective. The memento mori, a simple Latin phrase meaning, remember, you will die. Seneca wrote constantly about this. He said, you act like you will live forever, but you have no guarantee of even tomorrow. Think about that. You have maybe 30,000 days on this earth, maybe less. Every single day you waste on cheap dopamine, guilt, and regret is a day you will never, ever get back. Do you really want to spend your short, precious time here as a slave to a glowing screen? Or do you want to be a man who builds something real, something he can be proud of? Every morning, look in the mirror and say to yourself, I could die today. So today, I will be the absolute best version of myself. When you truly remember that your time is finite, a few seconds of fleeting pleasure suddenly looks meaningless. You start caring about your legacy, your strength, and becoming someone you genuinely respect. So, let's put it all together. Here is your complete daily Stoic system. Morning. Spend 5 minutes visualizing when you'll be tempted and see yourself winning. Remind yourself, I will die one day. Today matters. During the day, when temptation strikes, use the 10-second pause. Freeze, breathe, ask the question. Proactively remove triggers from your environment, delete apps, use website blockers. And replace the bad habit with a good one. Do 10 push-ups. Go outside, call a friend. Evening. Journal for 5 minutes. What happened? What did I learn? It's simple, it's clear, and it has been proven to work for over 2,000 years. Listen, you are going to fail sometimes. That's okay. It's part of the process. Seneca said, a gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials. When you fail, don't spiral into shame. Acknowledge it, learn from it, forgive yourself, and start again immediately. Not next Monday, not tomorrow. Right now. Your failures are the friction that is polishing you into that gem. So I'll leave you with Seneca's final, challenging question. Are you becoming the man you want to be? Not someday, but right now, in this moment. Every choice you make is a vote for who you are becoming. When you say no to that urge, you vote for strength. When you pause instead of reacting, you vote for freedom. When you reflect in your journal, you vote for wisdom. You're not aiming for perfection. You're aiming to be just 1% better every single day. Seneca's final piece of advice was this: begin at once to live and count each day as a separate life. Today is a new life. This moment is your moment. You are the one in control. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Comment, I am in control below to commit to this journey. And subscribe for more timeless wisdom. Your future self is watching you right now. Make him proud. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.